Some of the successes or challenges, should I say, of working with adolescent girls in Nigeria is, for one thing, in Nigeria, young people or adolescent girls or young people in general are meant to be seen and not heard. And I have worked in kind for 8 years, and one of the challenges is breaking that myth or breaking that doctrine in Nigeria, as it were. And how we continue to overcome it is building the capacity of adolescent girls themselves to be able to know, first and foremost, know about their rights and to be able to speak about their rights and be able to change the perception that they themselves have about what they are and who they are, but also change the perception of various groups and people in society.
I'm from Indonesia, and I'm coming from organization, Women Living with HIV organization in Indonesia. I work mostly for the women living with HIV and the young women living with HIV. So if I tell what the main issue of the young woman living with HIV or affected by AIDS is lack information or lack education regarding sexual reproductive health and rights. So they don't know how to protect themselves from the infected, from the STI, even the HIV.
Part of my experience has been overcoming obstacles as a woman. And what I work on now is with other women to help be sure women's rights are protected and improved. There are a lot of places in our lives where we're still discriminated against because we're women, and we want to change that. We want to change it in the workplace, we want to change it in the family, and we want to change it in government. We want women involved in government and making important decisions.
I work with Marifa Nifungua, Tanzania, in Arusha specifically, and I work as a program officer and work with right now we're dealing with a project named of Transforming Education for Girls in Tanzania and in Nigeria, that's staged. And the challenges that we're facing so far are cultural beliefs and poor practices that are affecting women, especially girls going to school. That's a problem.
When you have a program, your program needs to be good. But it's how you implement it that really matters, because we wrote into our guidelines that all the children had to be included, had to respect children's rights, including the rights of the girl children. We work with our partners really hard to make sure they understand that this is a program that is for children, but they have to have a particular sensitivity to what happens to girl children. So it's the process of implementing your programs that often determine whether or not they benefit the girls.
I'm working in an NGO known as Wotesawa. Wotesawa is a Swahili word which in English means all are equal. In implementing our work, we are facing some challenges. First, employers of young domestic workers, they are not ready to allow young domestic workers to attend our training, since they know that if we train them on their rights, they will know more and they demand for either more wages and so on. It's our wish to see the society wake up and fight against young domestic workers' violence.